Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about changing up your factory wheels and putting on another set of factory style wheels on your vehicle. It's amazing when you change the wheels from one vehicle to another how much you can drastically change how your vehicle looks. This might be an alternative for a lot of you because you might stumble across a set of factory wheels that you get at a good price because when you buy them new they're not cheap by any means. But using a factory style wheel to change up the look ensures you can get much better drivability of the vehicle because you can help maintain a lot of the geometry that you need to, and the wheel quality build itself is a lot higher than most aftermarket wheels. Now this car is a 2005 G35 with 370Z sport wheels on it, and the car looks amazing. It looks like a totally different car. You might have seen a video on my channel with the newer G35 rims, but with these 370 wheels with the factory Infiniti logo, it looks killer. Now here's a great example of a 1994 Dodge Ram. Now when I first brought the truck in the shop, I thought something looked different about it, but it looked really factory. And you look closer, those wheels are 17 inches. Those are off the newer style, like off an 04 and 05. They're just regular steel wheels, but they bolt right up. They use the old caps to make it look more stock, but it looks a lot more proportional. I think it's a great looking truck. This is a 97 Camaro SS. Now those are the wheels it came with, but if you look closely, they look familiar, right? They're off the 01 Corvette. Now I believe those wheels debuted back in 91. I don't know if they just had a bunch left over, but they look amazing on this car. So, putting Corvette rims on a Camaro, you really can't go wrong for most of them. I'm not a big fan of those big wagon wheels though on the C5s, but the thinner style or a lot of the C6 rims look mint on these cars. Here's an example of a 96 Camaro, and it's got newer style Corvette rims on it. Now you can either put on C5 or C6 rims and they fit just right. This car is lowered, but you see proportionally it just looks amazing on this car. Here's my project vehicle, 1991 C1500. Here's the factory wheel. Also, you might recognize it as the 454 SS wheel. Now the only thing I've changed is the hub, or the hub cover right here. Most of the ones that are factory have, it's very angular. It's just a cylinder here, and then it curves very aggressively, and then you have another cylinder. Here I decided to grab hubs or hub covers off of Astro from roughly 95, 96 and up on their 5-lug pattern. Bolts right on, and it has a nice look. It actually mimics the wheel very similarly, except the wheel's concave, and then this is the exact opposite of it. In the next upcoming scene, I want to show you guys some vehicles that I think look great using factory wheels of the same make on a different model.